Good afternoon. So the purpose of this video is to explain the breakout box. So for the classes today, you don't necessarily have to start the breakout box, but I know some of you may want to. So in case I didn't mention about it last class, here we go. So when you go into Schoology for period 6, remember the first thing that you're doing is looking at the video for the Governance Challenge, and then you're going ahead and you are completing part 1 of 2, which is your summative assessment, which is a test of Schoology. That's 35 questions. You know that's open resource. So then you have the breakout box. This is totally different and like nothing you've done before. So think escape room, but this is a digital educational version. All right, so click on the breakout box link, and the first thing you do when you go in, you'll be taken to the breakout box instructions. You could just read this whole page and you'll be good to go. If not, I'm going to explain it right now. So in order to get into the assignment, and by the way, this is a summative assessment. So in order to get into the assignment, click here at the top where it says main breakout box. And notice you're going to have all of these icons, buttons. It's like, what do you do with this? So let's start at the bottom, actually. So if you start at the bottom, note that there's a Google form. This is what you have to submit, is this Google form to me. Now notice the first question is word lock. Enter the secret code found when you put the puzzle together. So it's like, okay, wait a minute, how do I get that code? So that's the purpose of all the icons up here. So for the car insurance, that is a word lock. So if you click on the car insurance, it takes you to a puzzle. And then once you put the puzzle together, go back to the breakout box. You have to figure out what the heck I have to put in. So then it says click on the picture, put together the puzzle, define the secret word, look for what is different in each of the phrases. So once you put the puzzle together, you'll notice that there are words and hint what's different. The letters that are highlighted, take those letters, there'll be 6 of them, unscramble it, and you will get a word. And then that word that you get will go into this Google form. So that's your word lock. Then you go ahead and you enter that word. The next one is a letter lock. So enter the code from the last slide on the property insurance slideshow. Now, some students have said, but there's no property insurance. Yes, it is. The property insurance, aka homeowners and renters insurance. So it's this box right here. So when you click on here, do what it said. Hey, go to that last slide, and you have Adele, you have Kanye, and you have Beyonce. You'll figure that one out. All right, and the next one is health insurance. You're like, hey, wait a minute, I can't click on this. What's going on? Well, some of them you click on the box, and some of them you end up having to click on the words within it. So that's pretty much what you're doing. So this is going to give you the keys that you need in order to fill in this Google form. Now, when y'all get to the taxes one is a little different. So I recorded a video for the taxes that I'm going to post below as well, where I'm explaining, I believe it's Kennedy's situation. So I believe that's like the third one. But again, the taxes one, y'all can wait till I get back next week and I'll go over it with you. But if you're feeling really like, I want to do this now, I do have a video that walks you through the Kennedy one. But if you really want to work through it, I'm giving you a hint right now. Have to subtract the standard deduction for each of those situations first. That's probably the most important thing. So I will see you guys next week, and thank you for listening to this entire video. Thank you.